The ancient Roman historian Sallust once said, "Harmony makes small things grow, lack of it makes great things decay." There is something to that we should realize, that harmony and rapport is important in growth, and lack of it could make things decay. Hi friends of I Love Kalihi Vlogs, and welcome to the 13th episode of the Mahalima Mana. Today we're going to talk about why many who have gotten to know SB19 have fallen in a rabbit hole and come out becoming an 18. Because there's something that our Mahalima or beloved five have with each other, and they have a very strong rapport.
Sa akin, sama. Nangyari ka na! Kaya sa akin, una. Kung sino ang talo, siya ang upo, okay?
Google describes rapport as a close and harmonious relationship in which the people or groups concerned understand each other's feelings or ideas and communicate well. This good communication is also brought about because of mutual understanding, trust, and respect. By this explanation, you can already fathom why SB19 is pleasing to behold.
At ayun po, baboy na naman ako. Ang importante, masaya kayo. Masaya lahat. Parang gusto kong bigyan si Justin ng isang scoop tsaka assistant. Dahil dyan, maraming salamat po sa Selecta sa lahat ng nanonood. Sana na... 7, 8, I'm limitless.
Rapport is essential for success in different settings such as professional workplaces, personal relationships, and customer services. And we can clearly see this in SB19. Why? It's because our Mahalima are genuinely interested, have empathy, and authenticity in everything they deal with, may it be in a situation, a performance, or fan interaction. And if you're an 18, you already know this is true.
Yes, Rocky, 1, 2, 3. Okay, perfect.
Here are some key points why we know SB19 have great rapport with each other. Number 1. Non-verbal communication. As performers, we could only imagine that SB19 greatly depends on verbal communication. However, we can't deny that the completion of a great performance relies a lot on non-verbal cues like eye contact, facial expressions, and body language.
Gandahan mo to.
To be honest, we talk about yung sinabi ni Style na nung we were on tour, nag-usap kami 5, nagkaroon kami ng masinsinang pag-uusap. I mean, kumbaga, brothers talk, kumbaga, kasi matagal na kami nagsasama. And as an artist kasi, parang sa ganitong level kasi, parang sobrang focus mo sa malalaking bagay na akala mo, yun lang yung makapagpasaya ka sa'yo pag na-achieve mo yun. So, yung mga ganong bagay, ang tendency nun, pag hindi mo nakamit, grabe yung bigat, grabe yung weight na nabibigay niya sa'yo. So, yung sa surroundings mo na maliliit na bagay na makapagpasaya naman sa'yo, hindi mo na napapansin kasi sobrang too focus mo dun sa mga gatong bagay. So, yun, maganda yung sinabi ni Stel kanina na celebrate kahit gano'ng kalaliit yung mga.
Number 2, active listening. As 18, we often see our boys to be cool and funny in their interviews, whether it's from local or international outfits. But one thing we also know is that they actively listen to each other, having each member contribute to the topic at hand. This was even highlighted by the host of Billboard Philippines Volumes.
And the reason I ask that is, while each of you were talking, intently nakikinig kayo sa isa't I feel like you're really watching out for each other. Na it's the first time I met you guys. So it's a nice feeling you can feel that you're all watching out for each other.
Plastikan po. Kasi
At I think, ina-acknowledge lang namin na there's some things na matututunan pa namin sa mga sinasabi namin sa bawat isa na makakatulong din sa amin. So, ayun, whenever may isa sa amin nagsasalita, nakikinig talaga kami. And sometimes siguro tumatawa kami pag may mga, alam mo yung mga saying-saying, mga quotes na nasasabi, natatawa lang kami. Pero we're actually, trying to apply that in real situations naman.
Sige mo nga kang Alaska boy. Ganun. Alaska boy. Tapos si Ken, may clip ang buhok mo dyan, Ken, no? Tapos si Pablo, androgynous style. Parang gano'n. And then ako, parang debonair, gano'n.
Si Andrew.
Pero as a whole, parang mapapansin mo siya, group pa din. Hindi nagkakalayo, but merong identity bawat isa. Parang isuot natin ngayon.
Number 3, finding common ground. Our Mahalima or beloved five often say that they are very different from each other. They often argue when putting together a song, music video, choreography, and business design, but they also come up with a great final plan, and that is common ground. This occurrence comes about as different as they are from each other, because they also have shared interests, shared experiences, and perspectives.
Itong moment na to, hindi lang siya amazing sa costume, sa hair, glam. Amazing siya yung buong experience.
Everything, yeah.
Usually, sa Asia Artist Awards, ang nagpa-perform dyan, mostly Koreans. Very evident naman nung nag-perform kami, almost halos lahat puro Korean.
Yeah.
Pero parang to be able to represent the Philippines in front of these global talent, sobrang nakakaba siya, but at the same time, sobrang nakaka-inspire and sobrang parang nakakagigil kasi gusto mo ipakita kung ano yung meron kayo sa buong mundo. And I think na we delivered naman.
Yeah.
For us talaga, hindi po kami ganun ka-pressured as SB19.
Number 4, authenticity and sincerity. If we're wondering why authenticity is important in building rapport, Google beautifully describes that being genuine and authentic is crucial for building rapport because it fosters trust, allows for deeper connections, and enables people to feel comfortable being themselves around you, ultimately leading to a more meaningful interactions and stronger relationships.
Siguro po isa po kasi sa pinakamahalaga yung maipakita mo na yung authentic self mo and yung relatability. Siyempre parang ako po, kasi makakita akong stranger. Parang ang hirap lapitan kapag wala kang familiar na bagay na ipapakita. And yung way po namin nakikipag-usap sa mga fans namin, sa mga supporters namin, it's the same way kung paano namin kinakausap yung mga kaibigan namin, yung mga family namin. And siguro po nakitaan nila ng talagang sincerity yung mga ginagawa namin. Kaya naman mas tumindi yung pagsuporta po nila sa amin. Pero yun po, authenticity, authentic self.
Because we understand the importance of rapport to a fruitful relationship, the Bible further advises us to seek and enhance friendships because they add success to our lives.
Hello, I'm Brother Jojo Bayani, and for our verse of the week, I'd like to share with you what's written in Ecclesiastes chapter 4, verses 9 and 10. Having someone work with you is better than being by yourself all the time. If you have a friend, he can help you to do your work. If you fall down, he can help you get up again. But if you fall down when you are alone, you will have trouble because there is no one to help you stand up. See, having friends can enrich our lives. Spending time with our friends can relieve our stress. And our friends can also provide that safe space that we all need. When we confide in our friends about what we're going through, this can improve our mental and emotional well-being. And they can also offer different perspectives that can help us work through our problems. So take care of your friendships. Check in with your friends more and set aside time to see them, even when you're busy. And make an honest effort to be the kind of friend that you need, compassionate, kind, and patient. And be a good listener. That's our verse of the week. And if you think of a friend who you would like to share this video with, please forward this to them. Stay safe, stay strong, and stay faithful. God bless.
After 6 years, we can consider SB19 as a well-oiled machine because of the many qualities they have developed through the hardships as well as prosperity. It's not only developing their singing voice, dancing abilities, and audience connection, but building great rapport with each other obviously continues to yield dividends.
Ngayong gabi to, naramdaman ko talaga na ating lahat to. So, gusto ko na sabihin maraming salamat 18 for being with us for 6 years at sana sa mga susunod pang taon, makasama pa rin namin kayo. Sinamahan niyo kami mula umpisa ko ngayon. Let's make more memories in the future. Maraming salamat. Siyempre, sagot na lang sinabi ko, hanggang nandyan kayo nandito ang SB19 para kuha ng music. Maraming salamat sa inyo.
Our gentlemen of SB19 make us sing, dance, and even scream with excitement at times. And in this episode, they taught us that the harmonious relationship doesn't only profit peace, but a whole spectrum of positivity that leads to success. Because that's the mana of our Mahalima. This is Tita 18 Theta Pilar Pineda from the Valley of the Temples in Kaneohe, Hawaii. Aloha!